Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to introduce you all to a new technology, means a new application called Blender. So if you have not installed it, open your browser, search for Blender, install, hit the enter key. You see the first link, you can just open it in a new tab. You can see, you can download the latest version of Blender. You can install it in any type of, means you can install it in any type of like Linux, Mac OS, Intel or Apple Silicon, Windows, Microsoft Store. If you are means like running a tablet or something like that, so you can just go to the Microsoft Store and search for Blender. This version. So right now I have already installed it. I am in video editing, so just close that thing. What I am going to do is search for Blender. Okay. So you can see it takes time. You will see interface something like this. So this is the default cube. This is the light. This is your camera. So you are not seeing right now from the camera. You are seeing it right now from your naked eyes. To see from your camera, you can see a little camera button, or you can, if your keyboard means if your laptop or keyboard has a number pad, specific number pad, then you can just hit 0 that to see from camera. Right now I'm on a ThinkPad and they don't have, you have a number line on top of, so you can see right now I'm seeing from the camera. So these are the means you can see this whole area. This is the cube, the default cube. Now if you think how am I able to zoom in like this, I'll zoom out like this. So I'm doing Mickey Mouse key. If you don't know what is the Mickey Mouse key, so this little scrolling key which is available on everyone's mouse. If you are on a trackpad, just how we scroll, we can do it like that. So right now I'm doing it on a trackpad also, so I'm able to do it easily. So nothing's changed. Everything is simple. So this is the gizmo. If I press the y-axis, I am seeing it now from the y-axis. If I hit the z key, means over here, I am seeing it from the z, y, x. You can see. So this is your default cube. You can see. So let's say we hit the z. I have a shortcut to select this and hit the G key and move. Suppose I have, where's a cube gone now? It's right over there, but we want to see it from our camera. We are not finding it. So what we will do is select the cube again. If you are not able to see anything, just hit the grab key and search for it. See, I got it right over here. Nice and simple. So let's just color it. If you want to color it, you can see a little button right over here. I've clicked over here. Now a little button over here, base color. So let's see the base color. Let's see, I'm applying a color like this. You can see. So I hope you all understood this all. So in the next video we'll talk more about it. So you will see, I hope you all understood this. This is like a very basic intro for Blender. Blender can be used for 3D and there won't be any watermark issue also. Okay, so means, but you can't just simply, like, if you know how to edit videos, if you are very good at like Filmora and all those kinds of software, then you can do it over here. So I hope you all understood this blender session. Now I'll meet you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my videos.